Now, your ABC 7 First Alert weather forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
So we just look at temperatures across the region, and they're so abnormally warm. I mean, it's been a warm month, we know that, but this week, I think, is in many places going to break records for all-time temperature highs for the day. We're at 80 degrees in Perry, 79 Bradenton, Lakewood Ranch, Mayaca City, 83 degrees in Sarasota, Venice, 80 degrees, 79 in Inglewood, 80 in Northport. I mean, that's just really warm. And in inland areas, we could see temperatures that are even warmer than we'll see near the coastline. 61-degree dew point, that's still fairly low. So I think the dew point values are going to allow us to kind of neglect the possibility of any kind of dense fog for the remainder of this week. But the temperatures will just continue to soar. At 83 right now, east wind coming in kind of breezy at about 15. We've had some gusts in excess of 20. I think we'll probably see those wind speeds subside a little bit as we head into the second half of the afternoon. So boaters, you're going to be fine a little bit later on, particularly if these winds are bothering you. Lots of sunshine around. The temperatures are generally running around 4 to 5 degrees warmer than they were 24 hours ago at this time. And that was true this morning as well. We started off warm. We're going to end up warm. So you add daytime high and low together, you divide by 2, that gives you your average temperature for the day. I bet it comes in about 12 degrees warmer than an average day for this time of year, maybe even a little warmer than that. 85, I'll say, and I struggled with that number. I struggled getting our temperature up to 85. I mean, it's well above all the guidance that's out there. You think that the average record for the day over the last couple of days has been 85 degrees. It's tough to label it, but you know what? We may even exceed that value on maybe today, but certainly tomorrow, the day after. We have that potential of getting warmer than 85. So 72 degrees by 7 p.m., 66 degrees by 12 midnight, and then 68 degrees with maybe some really thin fog around like we had this morning, but nothing that would cause an issue. An easterly wind turning a little more southeasterly. Now we got a few showers that are coming up from the south on this particular computer model. In fact, several computer models kind of hinting at that. I don't buy that we're going to see any major rain around here anytime soon. So I'll put in about a 10% chance of maybe a sprinkle. That'll be mostly for Charlotte County and Lee County. I don't think we'll see a lot through Sarasota. Most of us are not going to see any rainfall. As we head into the evening and overnight, maybe a little haze in the atmosphere when you wake up tomorrow morning, but no serious fog issues, and temperatures generally holding around 70. You can see a few of those scattered showers trying to come up from the south. But I think, like I say, mostly it's going to be in the southern tip of the state. Southeast wind at about 5 to 10 a little later this afternoon as the winds kind of subside a little bit. East at about 10 during the night and overnight. And here we go. Ready? 85 degrees today, 86 tomorrow, 86 on Wednesday, and inland temperatures pretty close to 90 on one of these several days. Thursday, 86, and then as we get closer to the weekend, I think we'll be able to lower the temperature a little bit. But even so, it's still going to be well above average for this time of year.